Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having an amazing day and ready for today's video. So for first, on my channel, I'll be featuring some Melody Susie, and I'm introducing today a limited edition box. It's the Fleurwee Gel Nail Polish Limited Gift Box. Now, this box is not only beautifully packaged, but look at the design, all the flowers, the art, the color, the font, everything about this box is exquisite. I absolutely I'm going to keep this box. Now I'm going to get into this box. I would like to just take a moment to just look at that seal. I had to use a tool to help me lift that off, even though that looked easy, but I'd already peeled it off. Now, upon opening the box, the first thing I am greeted with is the greeting card, which is absolutely amazing, because when you've just spent your money with a brand and you see this, you haven't spoken to them, you've just spent your money, but they are telling you thank you. Thank you for your order. And I just think that that's a personal touch. And then also at the back, it tells you if you have any issues with the product, different ways that you can contact them, all of their socials, and there's even a QR code that you can scan. They have an email also available for support. So you're not alone. It's not a sham. You can literally contact them if you have any queries. So I would say keep that card handy, save it in your box, just in case you're ever going to need it. I absolutely love this information card because the design is just beautiful. It absolutely matches the design of the box. And on this information card, it tells you you have 4 gel nail polishes, a designed vase, a set of brushes, and also a bouquet of dried flowers. And might I add, these gel polishes, you might as well say, already come in a vase. Including the one that they've given you, you have 5. And, you know, this is a absolute pretty way to recycle your gel polishes. So now I'm going to just lift up this first layer and get into the next layer. Yes, there are 2 layers to this beautiful gift box. Now, as I unbox this, I just think of all the possibilities that could be under there, and I was in for a surprise. Now you see in this second layer, I have some stickers. Yes, now these stickers are beautiful. They're like little flowers and like frames, and some look like a bouquet of flowers, some look like they're in vases or vases, and I don't have any stickers like this, so I think this is a beautiful addition. And some daisies. Now, these daisies are beautifully embossed. I was looking at it and thinking it's definitely 3D. And I love the fact that you have some leaves as well and vines. So, you know, you need that green. Now we get into the nail art brushes set. I can't believe all of this magic is packed in this box. Now, as you can see, the colors are pastel. You have 6 different brushes, and 2 of them have a dotting tools at the end, and I'm going to show you that. So I like that they have given you a variety of brushes. This looks like a long liner brush, so I definitely would like to try this brush out. And I like that they're all different colors. You have a long sort of rounded gel brush. This is beautiful for gel, and you could also use it to clean up while you're doing your nail art. So that's a gorgeous brush, I'm just saying. And the pastel colors for this time of the year, it's an amazing touch. Now this looks like that French brush. It's like a slanted brush, but people use that to do like the smile line, and I think I need to give that another go. And we also have a 3D nail art brush. Now, I love these brushes because you can do 3D art with it. If you were, say, for instance, using like 3D art gel or even acrylic, it's amazing. And also you could use it for cleanup. And there is also a square nail brush. And, you know, you can use this for gel as well. This would be nice for cleaning away, say like you were doing like a vertical ombre. So I like that brush. It's nice and square, and you could even use it for cleaning. And also, last but not least, you get a little detailer, which you definitely need for all the nail art. I could not wait to put these flowers in the vase. They just fit perfectly. And I think what I'm going to actually do is, when all the gel polishes are finished, I will get some more dried flowers and I'll be back and I'll show you just what it looks like. It's so gorgeous. Now, upon opening the gel polishes, I noticed that there was a very sweet scent. Not sweet as in candy sweet, but probably more flowers. But it was very subtle, and I didn't have to put the polish up to my nose. It was just a nice pleasant smell. So normally you'll open polishes and you'll just smell like something that's just resembles chemicals, but that wasn't the case for this. I actually felt the scent was very, very pleasant. So now we're going to get into some swatches. First of all, I'm going to swatch this red, and you know, this is my first time ever using any kind of Melody Susie gel polish, and I absolutely could not wait to get into these gels. And I have to say, the viscosity of these gels are absolutely perfect. I feel I could use these to just paint or to do nail art, and it's definitely very smooth in terms of application. It wasn't clumpy, it wasn't hard to maneuver. I just felt it was very, very smooth. So this one has a really, really light shimmer in it. And I think this would be perfect for this time of the year. If you just wanted to have something neutral on your nails, but also have that little bit of shimmer, I think this pink would absolutely be perfect. Now, these gel polishes I'm swatching are actually plant-based, and it's also my first time using a plant-based gel polish. They're also HEMA-free, very, very smooth, and definitely one coat coverage. The pigmentation as well in these polishes, I have to say, are definitely 10-10. This white is so opaque, you can see that's one coat. The black, I believe that you could also, you know, get one coat out of. But I also love the fact that you could do a thin coat and have a very sheer black. Now, guys, does this not look like I'm applying a top coat? And look at the nails. Look at the nails. Now, one thing I have to say at this point is I did not apply any top coat to these gels. I basically put them on. I cured for 30 seconds in the lamp I'm using. And as you can see, I'm wiping with my gloves on and there is no tacky layer. Literally zero tacky layer. So these gels are just 10 out of 10. So I have to say I am so very happy with this collection of gels in this Fleurwee limited edition gift box set. It's absolutely perfect to do so many things, different types of nail art, and I love that they came with nail art brushes. The viscosity of the gels, honestly, you could do so much. So I am just going to do a quick nailed it tutorial just to test out the gels, just something quick, something simple. Now I've put one coat of white, I cured it. This coat of white I'm putting on now, I am going to leave wet. I am not going to cure this because I'm going to apply the gel onto the wet white polish. So on my palette, I just put a bit of the red and a bit of the pink. And now I'm using the bigger dotting tool on the pink art brush. And I'm going to put down some dots. Now it's on top of the wet white polish. Now with these dots down, I'm going to use the other dotting tool. I just remembered there was a smaller one. So I'm using this smaller one and I'm going to now dip into the pink and carefully place the pink gel on top of the red. So I've taken the long liner brush that was in the brush set and I'm just going to work from the very top dot, put it through and drag it right through to the last one. You do not need to apply a lot of pressure because the gel at the base is also wet, so it just moves effortlessly. It's just so smooth, so glossy. I absolutely love how this little tutorial just turned out. And with the rest of the gel that's on the palette, I'm just going to put a few dots down on the nail and just literally just finish it off. And yeah, I absolutely love these gels. I would 1000% recommend them. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. And also, I'd like to hear from you if you have tried these plant-based gels and just your opinion on what you think. This is a swatch. I, again, did not have to top coat. It just cures with a glossy finish. And I don't actually feel the need to top coat it, but I will in another video do a set and top coat it and just compare the difference. So again, guys, I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified when I upload. Love you all. Bye.